A smile's what comes from the fire within the heart. Don't let yesterday take up too much today. Disrespect can permanently shut doors that apologize cannot reopen. Consider this carefully. Mental harassment is the worst punishment you can give to anyone. Seeking result without putting efforts is futile. Never trust a man that dares to destroy you when he is met. That's weak. Reminder, you are not selfish for wanting the same energy and love you again. It's easier to find solution than finding problems. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act but a habit. Wisdom is the ability to slow down and learn from those who have gone ahead. Sometimes the only closure you need is understanding that you deserve better. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want. Avoid people who use their pain as an excuse to hurt you. Keep going. Don't stop. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Life and time are the best teachers. Life teaches us the use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. If you have positive energy, you will always attract positive outcomes. The best investment you will ever make is in your own energy and mindset. If you want to change, expand your mind. Always don't open new doors. Your attitude determines your direction. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourself from the negative. When your intentions are pure, you don't lose anyone, they lose you.